Good afternoon, YouTube. Here's Nick from Meticulous Motors again, and here for sale today we have a beautiful 2003 GMC Denali. This is the top of the line model of this variant. You'll get GMC wise, you get SLE, SLT, and then you get Denali. You get two-wheel, four-wheel, and all-wheel drive. This one being the Denali, it's designated to have the 6-liter V8 engine and all-wheel drive. Now you can get them in different engine options and different trim levels and trim options, but this one comes fully loaded right out of the factory with the 6-liter, the all-wheel drive, top-of-the-line Denali package. So as you can see, the VORTEC 6.0, says it right there on the engine cover. Very strong, reliable, long-lasting engine. We get daytime running lights for the front, regular halogens, and we do get fog lights. We have receiver tow on the front bumper as well as a front license plate for any of you people that are out of state that need that. Texas, looking at you. Comes with these aftermarket wheels. These are Reaction Wheels is the brand, and it's all wrapped in Cooper tires with about 50% tread life left. It is four-wheel disc brake equipped, and it is air ride equipped. Now, air ride is suspect with these older GMCs, and usually you get a warning light on the dash. It needs servicing, so this one is fault to that, so that is on the dash when we go to start it. But coming to the interior, we got a smoke and pet-free interior. We also have a pretty clean interior, just some few minor staining, as you can see right there, just a little bit. Comes with the original owner's manual, navigation disc, pretty clean dash. We just have a little bit of paint chipping there and then one small split there, which is in really good shape in comparison to a lot of other ones I've seen over the years. So it comes with a full leather interior. It also comes with power windows, locks, mirrors, and dual lumbar support for each driver and passenger side seat. And then it also has bows and the nice gray wood grain faux trim, and then as well as dual heated seats for the front. So I mean, like I said, when I say loaded, this one is loaded to the till. So in the back here, we have a nice spacious back seat. We have dual heated rear seats as well too, and then we also have rear radio controls, so the rear passengers can listen to what they want to, front passengers can listen to what they want to. We have that center console fold armrest, or the fold cup holders I mean, and then we have dual armrests for the rear passengers here. Now, to get these seats to fold forward, we just pull that up, pull the bottom lever, the headrest retracts back so it doesn't hit the front, so it can fold flat, and then you can gain access to the rear quite easily. So this one has third row seating, so if you have a family or multiple passengers, this one is definitely for you, because these vehicles are long lasting and they really go the distance. So this one's equipped with rear AC, so you have front and rear AC, and the controls for it are mounted for the driver's side in the upper console there. Also comes equipped with roof racks as well too. So also to take note, for the power side mirrors, they are power folding, they are heated, and they are dimming. So they have fully loaded side view mirrors as well too. So with this one we have a towing package as well, and it has the Denali placeholder. It also has the rear spare tire. That is always something, that and the rear seat can be some things that are missing for these vehicles. The previous owners either take them or just never reinstall them. So this one comes with a third brake light and the rear windshield wiper. The body is super clean. I mean, you're not going to find any dings or dents on this vehicle. Whoever kept this kept it in very good condition. All you're going to find cosmetically is some light staining on the carpet, which again is pretty normal for these vehicles. And the only paint condition is here, where you have a light fade. I don't know if you can see, there you go. You can see that whiteness right there in the paint. That's all you have on this whole vehicle, and you have these beautiful running boards that are body color to match to get into the vehicle. Coming to the driver's side, we have the master control switch for automatic up and down windows for driver and passenger side, regular for the rear. The power folding mirrors, you leave this in the center position, and then you hold the button down to the right, and then it'll fold the mirrors in. This also has the ability of power brake and gas pedal. Then you also have memory seats, and again the heated seat on this side as well as the passenger side. So coming into the driver's side, we have our combination switch for the headlights, Our fog lights are here, our interior dome light and our interior illumination switch are here. Then you have the rear interval wiper that also is spray equipped. So to spray, just hold it down and it will spray the water to clean the rear window. Now the combination switch over here includes interval front wipers, and then you also have, this is our cruise control. So to turn it on, you just flip the switch to the middle, and then to engage it when you're ready, just one click, and that will set your cruise. And then to cancel, you have the button over here. So for the driver's steering wheel, we have steering wheel controls. For volume, we have our infotainment like trip, fuel mileage, and economy, and then we also have volume for the stereo. Now this one's equipped with dual climate control, so passenger and driver have the ability to change their climate per their settings. We have a traction control system in place. We also have navigation system. Then this is a tow mode button for if we're pulling anything, it takes it out of the overdrive. Then we also have equipped OnStar power auto dimming rear view mirror with compass and temperature gauge, and then this is our auxiliary air controls. We also have dual map lighting, home link, so you can connect your garage door opener with the vehicle, and then we have our dual vanity mirrors with working lights, and lastly our sunroof control switch. So lots and lots of tech, lots and lots of options. So for the keys, we have keyless entry. We also have a locking fuel door, so that comes with its own little key equipped too. This is a one owner vehicle, folks, however, I did not mention that. So one owner vehicle, and it is also one minor accident for this one. Revs up nicely, idles smoothly, good oil pressure. All the gauges are properly working. We have 152,000 original one owner miles. We have no warning lights on the dash. It's a beautiful thing. So as you can see, our auto dimming rear view mirror powers up. Our navigation system powers up. And there we go, we have the screen there. And then we can also switch this to looking at the music controls. And it's all touchscreen, so you can choose your stations there too. So AC's ice cold right at the start. You have the ability to hit recirculate to get it even colder. And we also have all these compartments of storage here, dual cup holders. We have a charging port for here and here, and then we have our 6-disc CD changer there. So lots of features, lots of options with this vehicle. And then the center console has plenty of space with an additional charger here. So that's leather and closes nicely there, no problems. This vehicle drives excellent, straight and true down the road. Everything's properly working. All the windows, locks, and mirrors. The brakes are solid. It's just a really comfortable, nice vehicle. So you can find it all in the Yukon Denali. GMC really knocked it out of the park, and they made an excellent, long-lasting, reliable vehicle. So if you have the kids, if you have the family, or if you're towing a boat, or you just want something that looks really good and clean, is reliable and is a turnkey vehicle, find it here with this beautiful GMC Denali, this awesome 2003 GMC Denali all-wheel drive 6.0 that you can find exclusively at meticulousmotorsinc.com. Please rate and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Like or comment on any of our videos because your feedback is much appreciated. I want to thank you for taking the time to watch this video today, and we will see you next time.